Welcome back, my friends, to another video with your girl, Syndee Winters. Roll the credits, let's go. Welcome back to another video, my friends, with your girl, Syndee Winters. I'm so excited to talk about this topic today, creativity and productivity. I just want to rattle off a couple of tricks, a couple of tips to help with generating creativity, finding inspiration, and then turning that creativity into productivity where you can go from a thought to a thing, okay? So let's get started. Number one, have a vision of what you want and create a goal for yourself. It doesn't have to be the end-all be-all goal. Just set a goal for yourself that you know you can accomplish. Like washing the dishes, done. Making my bed, done. Writing a monologue, done. Memorizing the monologue, done. Performing the monologue to a friend, done. You did good, girl. You did good. It doesn't have to be big. Start small, start easy, start attainable. Number two, get yourself a journal. You can go to your nearest home goods store or office supply store and grab a journal, but my oldie but goodie is the marble notebooks. I love them. The lines are big enough so you can write on. I learned this from a friend. He said, Syndee, create a tagline in the very beginning that says, what did I do today to get me closer to my goal? It doesn't have to be a big thing. It can be something as small as I wrote a sentence to start my monologue. When you write that stuff down, it helps you track your progress, and then it kind of gives you more inspiration and motivation to keep going forward. So if it's a larger goal, like you want to get something accomplished, you want to plan a trip, make sure that you are doing things every day toward that goal. I remember when I wanted to record my first demo. I didn't know anybody, didn't have any resources. Well, I thought I didn't, but I started writing down who I knew and what the possibilities were and what I could ask based on who is in my network, who is in my community, what friends I have, how I can utilize them. Hey, I have a friend that has a studio. Oh, I have a friend that makes beats. Boom! I created my goal, which was I want to make a demo album. Every day I did something new. Number three, research, research, research. I call everything research. So here are some examples of research. Seeing a movie, watching a play, listening to music, talking to a professional in your industry. Anything you want to learn is called research. You can go on this right here. What you're watching right now is research. Pick up as much as you can about any particular topic you want to learn more about, something that inspires you, something that helps you get toward your goal. Number four, talk about it. Talk to people. Help yourself by sharing your thoughts and sharing your ideas with people you trust. I talk to my best friend Amy all the time. She's probably watching this. Hi, Amy. Amy hears all of my ideas. Good ideas, not so good ideas. She hears them all. But it's good to keep a connection with somebody who you can share your ideas with. They can give you feedback and help you continue to flesh out your goal to make it the best that it can be. The next one, do stuff. Just do as many things as you can. Say yes to as much as you can. Say no when you need to, but say yes as much as you can, because that yes, you never know where it's gonna lead you. You never know where that yes is gonna lead you. I promise you, I've heard some amazing stories of people who have gone from one particular place in their life where they felt like they didn't know anything and anyone to becoming super, super successful just by saying simply yes to an opportunity. Keep an open mind, and when you're asked to do stuff, do it. Yeah, you have my permission. The last one, just make it happen. It doesn't need to be a big deal. As my friend Danielle Leslie says, done is better than perfect. All you gotta do is complete it. You'll make more. If you can get the first one out, chances are you can do a second one, and a third thing, and a fourth thing. And you go on and on and on, and practice makes progress. So just get the first thing out of the way, that first moment of inspiration, that creative thought into a thing, and keep doing it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this video and you want to see more, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos like this every week. I love you. Stay well, stay woke, stay safe. Peace.